Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on your Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your currency on Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of your Western Union's account will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on the flag icon shown on the page. Now search for the country whose currency you would like to change to and tap on it. Here I'm going to choose United States. It will change your currency to US dollar. This is how you can change your currency on Western Union's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.